In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subdomain blog website on Wix. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effectively set up a subdomain for your blog using Wix, a platform known for its user-friendly design and powerful features. First, head over to the Wix homepage. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. This is where the magic begins. Wix is well structured, so once you're on the homepage, you should easily find your way around. As you start this journey, remember that setting up a subdomain does require a premium plan. Without this, you won't be able to add a subdomain to your Wix site, so it's worth considering an upgrade if you haven't already. Next, direct your attention to the Domains section of your Wix dashboard. This is the hub for managing your domain-related settings. Once here, locate and click on Add an existing domain. This option is crucial as it allows you to integrate a domain you already possess into your Wix site, extending your digital presence without starting from scratch. Continue by selecting Connect a domain you already own. This option signifies to Wix that you intend to link an external domain, which is perfect if you've purchased your domain name from another provider, but are now building your site on Wix. Now it's time to type in your existing domain name. Ensure there's no typographical error, as this detail is paramount for a successful connection to your Wix website. This action essentially communicates to Wix which specific domain you're looking to fuse into your site, forming the subdomain for your blog. Following this, click the Get It button. By doing so, you're finalizing the process of connecting your chosen domain with Wix. This step is simple but packs a punch. It confirms that you're ready to proceed with making your Wix blog available under your specified subdomain. And there you have it. You've successfully made your subdomain blog website on Wix. With these steps, you have broadened your site's reach and given your blog a distinct online identity. Take a moment to explore your options in Wix's design editor to bring your blog's aesthetics and functionalities to life. Your blog is now set to engage your audience more efficiently and stylishly on its dedicated subdomain. Enjoy this new chapter in your blogging journey.